passion fruit truffle candy on the head that melts in your mouth. In a bowl, let's start by adding 400 grams of sour cream, then 395 grams of condensed milk. Let's strain the juice from 2 passion fruits. Then just mix all of that together really well. After mixing, let's take it and move on to another bowl. Let's take it and now refrigerate it and leave it until it freezes. Meanwhile, in a frying pan, we will add the pulp of our passion fruit. Also add 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Let's add 50 milliliters of water. Let's mix until it turns into a syrup. Once that's done, now we just have to set it aside until it cools down. Then just add it on top of our already chilled mousse. After mixing well, now on top we will add 100 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. After spreading it well, just refrigerate it and leave it until it ages. And just look guys, how amazing this candy on the platter is. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Do it at home, which I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from the Pour in the Kitchen. That big hug, see you next time, and it was worth it.